told y'all in my last video, I would be showing y'all me actually using this machine that I got. So if you want to know all the details and all that about my machine, you can go watch that video. I'll link it down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you like videos like this one. But I'm really just excited, so I'm really trying to get into this. So we're gonna stop talking. But so I already like wrote my tattoo out. It's like a butterfly. I drew this all on myself, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. It says believe, as y'all can see, but it's kind of backwards, but whatever. It says believe. So first I'm gonna try to tattoo like this skin or whatever that the fake skin that they give you, and then I'm gonna do me. So yeah, this is like that skin. So we're just gonna get closer so you can see. Let me put these gloves on that they gave me. Oh snap, it's getting real. Before I put my tattoo on my finger, I put rubbing alcohol on it first, just so you can clean it. Okay. So I guess this is my fake skin. Y'all, honestly, I just want to do it. I don't even want to play with this. I just want to do it. So hold up. Okay, so like I thought about it. I just want to believe. Obviously it's my first time doing it, but I think it's pretty good for my first time. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like because I know y'all want to see